Overcoming Objections Week. And, last Monday, we had the great Michelle Wales and Victor Polito going over our recruiting objections. And tonight, our featured mastery topic is life insurance objections. And we have the best of the best as far as that is concerned. And I'm excited to see and hear their mastery training talk. They worked really hard to put that together. They were in dress rehearsal for a bit today with Sir Chief, but I'm excited. And I know they're a little bit nervous, but you know what? When you feel nervous, guys, all that is just letting you know. Because a lot of people, their concept of nervousness means like they're nervous. No, when you're nervous, it means it's excitement plus adrenaline put together, right? And it's the butterflies in your stomach because you're so excited that it comes out like that. So nervousness is good. That means you're about to perform and you're ready to give it your all, and you got that feeling that this is your time or your shot to give it all. So to go over our Mastery 101 training talk for tonight, we want to go ahead and pass the baton to the incredible Grace Rivera and Evelyn Ramil. Grace from Bonita, California, and Evelyn Ramil from Penasquitos. Take it away, guys.
Okay, thank you, shot caller. Good evening, JAF. First of all, I want to thank God for everything that He has given to us. Also, I want to thank our leaders, our shot caller and Sir Chief, for keeping us together and for the coaching and teaching and for guiding us in our journey. So tonight, let me just share my screen here. So me and Evelyn are here to discuss about the top 4 life insurance objection. And just for a short story regarding us, I met Evelyn since I started Primerica, and all of a sudden we clicked together. We become friends already right away, and we belong to the same base shop with the NST. Okay, so just a little bit about my story. I started as a client in 2000. I'm married for 24 years with my husband, Rene, which is a retired U.S. Navy chief. And we have 2 kids, Anne and Ren. And I have I came from a background of medical assistant from 2008 to 2016. Came here from the Philippines in 1996 and been living in San Diego since then. And so we came at the beginning. We came to the office in October of 2017 to take care of the educational funds for my kids. So we made an appointment to see NST. And then NST told us about the dream of financial freedom. So perfect timing. During the time I don't have a job, so I filled up my IBA. And also at the same time, I obtained my life insurance policy. But unfortunately, I got rated due to overweight. I got rated 5. So I decided to join the camp transformation. So I began to lose weight and then was able to reinstate my policy and was able to be not rated anymore. Okay. So the usual top 4 life insurance objection that we encounter during our field training with shot caller and Sir Chief. One of them is that we don't need life insurance. We don't need it. I don't need the feel for it. And then the other one is I feel I have it already and it's with the savings. And the other one is it's too expensive and I can't afford it. And then the number 4 is I have it from my work. So the number 1 objection, I don't need it and I don't feel the need for it. Well, we can respond to that as to tell our clients, well, Mr. and Mrs. Clients, do you do you insure your property such as your home, your cell phone, your car, etc.? So we protect our properties in case something happens to them, right? So why not have life insurance to protect you and your loved ones in case something happens to you? Your loved ones will be protected and not as that devastated financially. So we can also teach them the dying method. This one I found it in POL. So we can teach them why we need the life insurance with the dying method. So the D stands for debt, consumer debt to be paid off. And then the I is for the income, replacement for survivors. And then M for the mortgage, balance to be paid off. And then E for the education, need for our children. So according to NSD Rob and Minnie Davis, the purpose of life insurance is to replace income. And the dying method shows clients that the need in a very visual way. It's simple and it's easy to remember. And we found that anytime we can simplify the concept that may be new to people to help them understand it. That's always a good thing. Our clients often tell us they wish they'd known about this earlier. And then the other objection is that I have it already and it's with savings. And then you can respond to that as, that's great, Mr. and Mrs. Client. Can I borrow your policy so that way we can show you apples to apples what you have and what we have to offer you. We will leave you the decision making after we show you the difference. So we can also show them the four funny banking rules of the whole life insurance, which is the term life insurance is pure income protection that provides coverage for a fixed period of time, which financial experts recommend as the best option for the most families. On the other hand, although whole life insurance provides coverage for the person's whole life, when you consider the four funny banking rules of whole life insurance that governs every whole life policy, the impact on family's future is anything but a joke. A life champion can effectively educate their clients on the difference. So here are the four funny banking rules, which is premiums payment early on only go towards policy expenses. Cash value only earns a nominal rate of return. If you borrow from your cash value savings, you pay big. And you only get one or the other. It's either death benefits or the cash value. Do you think, Mr. and Mrs. Client, that's fair when you're paying for two, but you're only getting one? So learning these rules is one of the main reasons why I joined Primerica. I couldn't believe families were being sold policies like that. The thing is, most of the clients we help haven't even read their policies. So we spend a lot of time training our team or where to find these details in the fine print on their clients' policies, so they can show families exactly what they have, and they educate them on how Primerica's terms insurance is different. So let me end this topic with my two quotes. The other one is from my positiveoutlook.com. It says, don't be afraid to be back up, to try again, to love again, to live again, and to dream again. Don't let the hard lessons harden your heart. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to arrive at your best. And then other one is from SC Lori. A shout out to everyone who is trying right now, trying to do the right thing, trying to stay open, trying to keep going, trying to hold on, trying to let go, trying to find their flow, trying to stay afloat, trying to meet each new day, trying to find their balance, trying to love themselves, trying to new things and new ways. I see you. I'm there. I'm there too. And we're in this together.